Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add friends and play with friends in Super Sus. Alright, let's begin. First, open Super Sus and make sure you are logged in. Go to the lobby menu, then scroll down and tap the social option on the left side. Your friends list will appear here. If you have no friends yet, tap Find Friends. Type your friend's username or ID in the search bar and press Done. When their profile appears, tap Follow. Your friend needs to follow you back to connect. Once you are both connected and online, you can invite them by tapping the three dots next to their name and selecting Invite. If you want to find people nearby, use the Nearby option in the social menu to see players around you. To join your friends in a game, go back to the lobby, select Private, and you will be able to join your friend's room if they are online. You can also add friends via Facebook by going to Social, then FB Friends, and sending friend requests there. So that's basically how you can add friends and play with friends in Super Sus. That's it for this video. Thanks.